Hey everyone, today I wanted to bring you a different video. This is a Dollar Tree garden haul video, stuff that you can find at the Dollar Tree for really expensive for your plants or your garden. So I just want to quickly start off with these really cute fairy garden houses. They're pretty cute. I want to say I think they're plastic. If they do get ugly and old looking from outside, they're really easy to touch up. So I really like that. So yeah, here's one. I think $1 is a pretty good price for this. I believe at Michael's it was probably like $6 or more. And this is the time where people start wanting to start thinking about their gardens. It's not going to be in order, the stuff that I'm going to show you. I'm just grabbing out of the bag. I'm just grabbing out of the bag and just showing you. When you do pick these things up at the Dollar Tree, you do want to, look for any like bad defects so that you can try to pick out the best option that they have. This is a really cute mushroom. I really liked it. I was with my daughters and they're like going crazy. Mommy, this one, that one. In case you guys don't know, my daughters are 10 and 9. And here's another mushroom. Super cute for $1. And this has like a glaze on top. So that's pretty cute. And here's another one. Can't wait to see what I'm gonna come up with. Maybe I'll just revamp some of the ones I already have. And then here's another one similar to this one, but still pretty different. They also have, so every Dollar Tree is different. They don't get their stuff in at the same time, but my sister-in-law did show me that they got pretty big gnomes, like gnomes about this size. So I was like, oh, those are cute, but I haven't seen them yet on my Dollar Tree, so we'll just see. Here's another one. It's a green one. So cute. And they're pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. So I thought that this was pretty cute. Pretty big. I think 5 inches probably. I don't have the best angle right now because I'm on my desk because it's the quietest room right now. My husband's watching TV out there and outside. I just didn't feel like being outside, but I got 2 of these. These pretty easy to make a hole at the bottom with a nail and a hammer. I would just say I don't know if they'll rust outside. I don't remember. I believe I had something similar, and I don't know if it was exactly the same material and it rusted. So I don't know if this is the same material. So we'll just have to see and watch and see. So that's that. I mean, this is pretty big, guys. I've seen some of these in smaller ones, but this is pretty big. You see how big that is? So these were super cute for $1. I mean, that was a steal. So I liked it a lot. I got 2 of these. Super cute. And then I found these. I don't know why, I just love them. So look at that. That is beautiful. I love how it looks. I got, oh yeah, this is another one. Look at how pretty those are. I don't know, I just love the fuzziness of it. I really love the fuzziness of it, so I'm going to see what I come up with. I got like 4 of those. 4 of those, and then Oh, I got some decorative rocks. I like the white ones from the Dollar Tree. I like those. You want to rinse these though before you use them because they do have a white powder. So I would recommend for you to rinse those. Then I got, so this is not garden related at all, but it was super cute. It's a cute little notebook here. And then it just has like different little patterns for you to write on top. Anyways, this was the one that I really, really liked. How cute is that? That is too cute. For you cactus lovers. That is so cute. So I thought that was super cute. It's pretty thick too. So anyways guys, that is my small Dollar Tree haul. Just wanted to show you guys that you guys can find some great items at the Dollar Tree for your garden or for crafting. I'm sorry for the angle. Always trying to find a decent angle, but like I said, it's Sunday and my husband's watching TV out there, so lots of noise. And then I don't want to go outside. It's a lot of wind outside today. But I hope you guys enjoyed my haul, and don't forget to like and subscribe.